Bonjour, I'm Tim.
I'm Karen.
And, well, it's been a while since we put up a video.
Oh
we have been humping it hard. As you all will know, tomorrow is our last day in our rental, and so we've got to get this place ready. And by ready, I mean have a working toilet.
That's it. That is the height of expectation there.
Yeah, so this white powder all over me is me sanding the drywall inside what is going to be the little powder room. All the plumbing is done, and once I get that done, we'll be able to install the toilet, and life will be grand. So nothing like putting it right up to the last second. But anyhow, once we get in, we'll get on a more regular schedule, and you can start seeing videos on Tuesdays as regular. Thanks for being part of what we do, and we'll see you soon. Say the words.
À tout à l'heure.
Because it's covered with dust.
Yeah, I can't see. What's this? What's this?